The other cool thing about the Mini Inspector that we have is anytime we touch on something, we can come in here to see object details, right? And this will just give us basically the nature of the seabed at sand when the source data was pulled off. And this is all through, again, our CMAP Reveal X card, where the chart source that it came from. And we can do that basically anywhere on the chart. So we can pull up whatever we need to. This looks like a little bit of a reef out here. And basically it's a fish haven, so it gives you all this information. Basically gives you your depth, always underwater, and where that source data comes from as well. So again, when you're utilizing your chart function and you want to save waypoints, you want to auto route, or you want to measure distance, which is another handy item to utilize. So if I zoom out here, and we're going to say that we're going to run to this waypoint here, and we want to measure, all we're going to do now is tap to add a second point, which is over here at our current vessel, and it's going to give us the distance to go to that point and a rough bearing once you get out here into the Gulf of Mexico. And then we can drag this wherever we want. So maybe we want to look to see how far it is to this fishing waypoint or to this fishing waypoint. We can do that all from the current vessel, just to give you an idea and help you plan out where you may start your fishing day and where you eventually want to end up.